So now we are going to do the downward cross shell. It's just a little variation to the upward cross shell. For the downward, you're just going to start from the bottom. Everything else remains the same. I'm just going to squish. So the angle in which I'm holding, you just need to make a note of it. So it is not 90, obviously it is 45, and 45 on this side will be my plain shells. For the upward, it would have been like this at 45. For downward, it is on the other side. So just start piping at an angle, squish the head, taper tail, one next to the other at an angle diagonally. Everything else is the same. Broad head, taper tail at an angle, start from the bottom and go up. Squishing the head and having a broad head is important. So everything else is the same. We've done the downward cross shell. You will do 1 row, get approved, and then do 3 rows, and then you will get approved, with which you will finish the downward cross shell. Meet you on the next one.